Hello everyone, in today's video, we will explore how to optimize your email marketing campaigns. Let's get into the video. Optimize your email marketing campaigns. Learn how to boost your email marketing efforts. These tips will help you increase engagement and ROI, whether you're targeting local businesses or a global audience. Email marketing offers a remarkable ROI of 3,500 rupees for every 100 rupees spent, with over 4 billion global users and millions in India. Unlike social media, email ensures direct delivery to your audience's inbox, making it a crucial marketing tool. To start with the right audience, build a strong email list of verified, interested users using tools like double opt-ins. Segment your audience by location, age, interests, and buying behavior, for example, separating users from Delhi and Mumbai. Offer attractive lead magnets tailored for Indian consumers, such as free guides, coupons, or webinar access. Craft attention-grabbing subject lines by keeping them short and engaging, around 6 to 10 words. Add a sense of urgency, such as flat 50% off, only for 24 hours. Personalize with names or regional festivals, like Happy Diwali, Rahul, here's your special gift. Focus on valuable content by providing actionable tips, exclusive offers, or problem-solving advice like how to save 10,000 Indian rupees on travel. Include one clear call to action, such as click here to shop now. Use vibrant visuals and clean formatting for easy reading on mobile, where most Indian users open emails. Timing is crucial. Send emails when your audience is most active, typically between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. on weekdays. Indian audiences are highly responsive during weekdays and festive sales seasons. Adjust timing for time zones if targeting NRIs or Indian expats. Test and analyze your campaigns by experimenting with A/B testing, such as comparing subject lines like free shipping versus flat 200 Indian rupees off. Monitor key metrics like open rates, aim for 20 to 25% in India, and click-through rates. Use insights from tools like Zoho Campaigns or Netcore SmartTech to improve future campaigns. Platforms like MailChimp, Netcore, or Sendinblue simplify campaign management and personalization. Automation tools can send timely reminders, cart abandonment emails, and festival offers. Analytics tools track metrics like open rates and revenue generated per email, making your life easier. Ready to supercharge your emails? Implement these tips to significantly boost your email ROI. Get started today. Like this video, subscribe for more marketing tips, and share your questions in the comments. Let's optimize your email campaigns and achieve better results together.